Welcome to this video on monetary policy in practice. In this video we'll have a look at how monetary policy influences aggregate demand and its effect on real GDP. In the article on your screen, monetary policy is being discussed as a tool to get consumers and businesses to become more optimistic and inclined to spend their money. Initially, there was a sales tax that took a big toll on Japan's economy. If we look at our aggregate supply and aggregate demand model, we will see that an increase in taxes decreases consumption. As a result, aggregate demand shifts to the left. Real GDP falls below its full potential. It is then argued that consumer sentiment hasn't come back enough since this sales tax increase. So aggregate demand did shift to the right, but real GDP is still below potential GDP. It is then argued in the article that to get consumers and businesses more optimistic and inclined to spend, one should use monetary policy. As we have already said, monetary policy will be aimed at decreasing interest rates to influence consumer spending and investments positively. Remember, the relationship between the cost of borrowing and consumption and investments is a debatable one. However, if we follow this reasoning, we will see that consumer spending and investments increase, and this should lead to a further shift of the aggregate demand curve. Eventually, real GDP should be moving towards its potential GDP. As mentioned before, to inflate the economy, the central bank will decrease the interest rates, causing investments and consumer spending to increase and real GDP to grow. In our next video, we'll have a look at trade.